it's Brad and Jolynn with another SqWatch Dog adventure. You know, one of the biggest complaints that we hear about the Revel is the mattress. I mean, it is pretty thin. This is it underneath. It's pretty thin and thus gets to be uncomfortable. So what a lot of people do, and what we did, is we put a cushy little topper, foam topper on the top of the bed, which was great for a while, but then it gets really soft and my hips start to hurt. So we found a new system called the Froli Star system, and it acts as springs. So we're gonna install this today, aren't we?
Let's give it a go. All
right, let's do it. So come along for another DIY edition of SqWatch Dog Adventures. All right, so one of the things that we want to let everybody know about is that we are not associated with Froli in any way, shape, or form, and this is our personal opinion, isn't it, Brad?
Yep.
So the first thing I guess we need to do is take out this mattress, right? So let's get going on that. I'm gonna let you do that, Mr. Muscles. So now we've got the mattress off and we've got the slats here. So I think we're gonna have to put the star system on the slats. So let's start installing this thing. So you take these little crosses and you look for the little triangle and you make sure that that's pointing in the same direction as you're installing. These are the bases.
It's not a very visual arrow, gotta say.
It's not. Brad needs his glasses for this, actually. Okay. All right, that looks laid out pretty well, don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
On the end seem to be hanging over a little bit, so they say you can clip these off. So I think that's what we'll do. Now that we have this loosely installed, we can start to push these in so they're connected. Now that we know that it's going to lay out okay. Does that sound okay?
Okay.
Let's do it. So this Froli system comes with this installation tool so that you can push these through easier. So let's give it a go, shall we? So you just put it on like this, and then you just snap it on. And same with this one.
Sounds good.
Pretty easy, huh? So now that we have this entire mat laid out and attached, we can install the springs. And we have two different colors of springs, the dark blue and the light blue. The light blue is for your sensitive areas like your shoulders and your hips. And the dark blue ones are for where you want to have firmer protection, like your lumbar system. So we're going to install these right now. And this is how you do it. So I'm going to use the blue ones up here. And we're going to attach it like so. And then give it a twist. And then just do that down the line. And then on this one here, I think this is where our shoulders are going to go. So I'm going to put a light blue one there. See, they're springy. So here we have it laid out the way we want it. So now we're going to try sticking the mattress on there just to see how it feels. All right, I'm going to give this a go, see how this feels. I'm going to put a pillow down and see if I feel like it's making a difference.
And where your shoulders and hips are.
My shoulders are right here. And my hips are right here. So what do we have? This should be light blue maybe. And the hips look good.
Hips look good.
Shoulders are okay, I think.
Yeah.
Well, yeah. What do you think? It does feel firmer.
Firmer? I thought you wanted it softer.
Well, it feels, no, it feels like it's cradling me. Yeah. Yeah, this feels pretty good.
Did you want me to get in there or not?
Yeah. Hold on. So how does it feel?
Okay, but where's my shoulders and my hips?
Your shoulders are right here. So yeah, maybe we should move the blue ones up. We could probably move yeah, we can move both of them up one row, I think. Should we do that?
So I kind of thought that for you, if you think it's the same for me.
I do. All right, we switched it. How does it feel now? Don't roll off.
I think we got the alignment.
Do you think it makes a difference?
I don't know. I'll know after I sleep for 12 hours in the middle of the winter.
Well, maybe we should sleep in it tonight.
Maybe.
Let's do it.
At least take a nap.
Yeah.
I'm worn out.
Me too. Let's put the topper on too. Now we're going to put our foam mattress up here. Let's see how that feels with that on. So it's been over 2 months since we installed this Froli system on our bed. And I gotta say, I really like it. I mean, my hips don't hurt as bad. I feel more comfortable when I sleep at night. I sleep through the night a little bit better. Anyway, what do you think, Brad? Is it good for you?
Yeah, I'm glad we did it.
Me too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Once again, this is not something that is affiliated with us at all. This is our personal opinions. And if you'd like to see more DIY stuff, then we would love it if you follow our channel. We also do a lot of traveling stuff too. So that's something that might pique your interest as well. So come along. We would love for you to like and subscribe. In the meantime, happy trails.